Finally seen somebody with a big truck driving for Lyft and Uber. He's got a dually. Apparently this is a diesel, and he has a cabin camera, rear view camera, front camera, and this Lyft bar thing that you get after 250 rides. It's the lighted logo. I just talked to him. This thing's nice. It has a fifth wheel too. He was in the Navy like me. This was actually my truck compared to his. And I just got this rear light from Amazon. This thing lights up. It's a light bar. Flashes. Strobe. Fade. Smooth, pink. All the different colors. White.